Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a fall look, like very gold, very brown, like very fallish, just a fall look on my eyes. And I already did my skin, I already moisturized, and I put my foundation. The foundation I'm using today, I'm using the last bitty bit that I have left of this L'Oreal foundation, the True Match. I got it in W4. It's warm, light, medium. And the palette I will be using today, I'm gonna use this one. It's called MAC Art Library Flamboyant. And it's really pretty fall colors. I already used this one on my last video, but I wanna use it because I wanna use these gold colors, like brown, shimmer, and like the gold here. I wanna use these. So that's why I was like, I want to pull out this palette and do it again. So since I already have my foundation on, I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 22. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush to spread out my concealer from under my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to be using this NARS concealer in Café con Leche Soft Matte. My nails are getting longer. I have to redo them, but every time I put my finger in this, because I apply it with my finger, I get it on my nail and I hate it. Now I'm gonna pick up my kimchi powder, and this is the color pink, or the shade pink. And I'm gonna use my powder puff to pick up some of this powder like this, and I'm just gonna set my under eye. And of course, I'm gonna set my lids, whatever's left on the powder puff. Set my lids. Now I'm gonna work on my brows, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Perfect Brow Pencil in the shade medium brown. Okay, and here we go, the star of the show. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this light brown. I think it's called Embark. And I'm just gonna place that all over my crease area and a little higher. Might raise it up a little bit. There's no like light brown, so I'm gonna right now pull out my my bronzer so I could put some depth in this area here. Okay, so I'm picking up this one. It's my bronzer or contour, whatever it's called. It's Complicated, and it's by MAC. I mean, it's by Makeup Geek. I'm just placing it in that crease area. Oh. Like so. See the difference? Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my brows and put on this Maybelline Tattoo Studio. It's a brow styling gel. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my brows. I remembered it's been a while since I've done this, so I'm gonna put some on. So my hairs can sit still. It's a really subtle gel. I like how it's really, you know, I like how it's really subtle. It doesn't, because I don't have that much hair, but the little bit of hair that I have, it makes it stay put. And that's what I like about this one. The brush is really small. It's like a little mascara wand. And the one I'm using is, I can't even see. Look how teensy it looks. I don't know. Can you see it? This is the color that I'm using. It's so small. I can't even. Look how tiny. I can't see it. But anyways, that's the one I'm using. It looks like this. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called What's the Pointillism? I think that's the color. I'm not even sure. Then there's La Vida Mocha. Maybe it's La Vida Mocha. I don't know. Look how it's, I don't know if it's reversed based on like, I don't know. I always get confused with the MAC palettes like this because the way they do it, it's, I don't know. So I'm gonna, with my finger, put it on the outer part of my eye, and I'm working it towards the middle. And I'm dragging it upwards too. Picking up some more, and I'm placing it again in that area. It's like literally the outer half of my eye. Now with my other finger, I'm gonna pick up that gold color, and I'm assuming it's called Amber Lights. It's a nice gold color, perfect for fall. I love this look. Oh no, I got it in my, it's okay. Like this. I know I got some right here. Now I'm gonna pick up a fluffy brush. It has nothing on it. It looks like it does, but it doesn't. And I'm just gonna swipe it around that top, right underneath my brow, just to make sure there's no harsh edges here. Make sure the shadow it's in its place. Well, not in its place, but it's blended in. Now I'm gonna go in with this color. It's the darkest color in the pan. I think it's called in Bark. Something like that, I don't know. And I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal eyeliner, this one right here, the telescopic. All I'm gonna do is like line my top lash line. Just a tad bit like this, just so my lashes can stand out a little bit more after I put my mascara on. It's gonna make my lashes kind of stand out. I think that's good enough. I'm not trying to wing it or anything. I'm just outlining the eye because I already have all this going on here. So I don't need to do all that. I'm doing my mascara. I'm using the same one I've been using. It's the Maybelline Define-A-Lash in the green tube. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush off whatever excess of powder I have from my kimchi powder. You can't see it through camera, but I could kind of see it in person. And I'm gonna pick up my tiny brush and I'm gonna go in with my contour. And it's Complicated by Makeup Geek, and I have to really work it because I have a little bit left and I want to use it, so I love this color. It's like a mocha, golden mocha eye look. That's what I would call it. Golden mocha eye look. Okay, everybody, I'm so sorry. I thought I pushed record when I put on my blush. Towards the end of the video, I got a little sidetracked. But anyways, right here, I am using the Makeup Geek blush in Chivalry. It's a nice orangey, bronzy tone blush. I really love how it puts this look together. And right here I am already wearing my lipstick, and it's the by MAC. It's the Maximal collection in Cafe Mocha. I really love this color. It's like a brown pinky tone. I love it. Thank you guys so much. I'm just showing you the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.